Janvi and I'm from College Tanya. Today we will embark on a journey to the Meerut Institute of Engineering and Technology, popularly known as MIET. Located in NCR region, this top-notch technical institute is affiliated to APJ Abdul Kalam University, Lucknow. Let's see what the institute has in store for its aspiring students. Established in the year 1997, MIET sprawls across 21 acres of high-tech and active running campus, encompassing a central library, computer labs, easy banking facility, hostel facility, gymnasium, cafeteria, various eating joints for students, various technical labs such as the mechanical lab, automation lab, robotics lab, automobile lab, biotechnology lab, auditoriums, volleyball courts, cricket grounds, a snooker lounge, transportation facility, indoor game center, and much more.
MIT to me does not represent an academic institution only, it's a way of life. And any family of Western UP, most of the families, they have graduates who have come out of MIT.
I am one of the members of Team Code Recipe. It is one of the startups from the incubation center that we have here in MIET. MIET has helped us a lot in this project. We have been provided a lot of trust and a lot of guidance to our teachers and all the mentors.
Committed to the principles of value-based education and practical acquisition of knowledge, the institute provides world-class education to thousands of students across 4 different streams, namely engineering, pharmacy, management, and IT. MIET has further strengthened its brand name by building strong industry tie-ups with prominent and powerful names such as IBM, AWS, Oracle, Bosch, Festo, and more.
This industry is demanding the student to be trained in latest technologies. So what we are doing, we are getting tie-ups with the industry. Each faculty of our department is trained in 2 to 3 training skills that are required by the industry, and they are trained by the industry only.
We have opened different center of excellences only after getting suggestions from different industries. Those who are coming to our institute for employing our students, and whatever they suggest, we try to implement those suggestions, and that is the reason that we have got largest placement in this region for engineering students.
MIET, a household name in Western UP, takes great pride in being ranked among India's best engineering colleges by DataQuest in their 2019 survey and among India's best B schools by Business Today and India Today 2019. It has also been ranked among India's top 20 private engineering colleges in North by The Week and among top engineering colleges and among top 15 in Northern India by Outlook magazine. MIETians are offered ample opportunities to showcase their talent and skills. One such group of extremely talented students brought home laurels by participating at the safest and best built car national Eco Car Championship 2018 and also won the National Eco Car Championship 2019 along with a monetary award of 1.02 lakhs. Adding to their list of awards and accolades, MIETians are national champions at Pune Smart City Hackathon 2019 and won the Smart Orissa Hackathon 2018. MIET has also won the Gold Category Award for industry-linked technical institutes under AICTE C2 Survey 2018. If you thought that's all that MIET offers, well, think again. Kolarhal, Grids and Endura are some of the star events at MIET and are a perfect blend of music, drama and endless fun.
We're always trying to look at universities who are very progressive on technology. And for us, MIT is one of those colleges where they have a drive to offer newer technologies to their student community. And they see a very open relationship with the industry. And for us, if we have to carry on this engagement, we need support. And that's what we get from MIT.
With a mission to educate young aspirants to become masters in their field and fulfill the global requirement of human resources. MIET proves itself as a premier technical education institute in NCR region and India.